ओ ये खबर छपवा दो अखबार में, ये खबर छपवा दो अखबार में। एक लड़का, एक लड़की, एक लड़का लड़की, लड़का लड़की, ये खबर छपवा दो अखबार में। पोस्टर लगवा दो बाजार में। एक लड़का, एक लड़की, एक लड़का लड़की, लड़का लड़की, एक लड़का लड़की, लड़का लड़की, पागल हो गए प्यार में। टिंग 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 टिंग. With Navratri coming nearby, it's definitely a right of any Indian and especially a Gujarati to do some garbas, and we have a reason today to do garbas because remember the old saying, way to a man's heart is through his stomach. So today is a day when a ladka and ladki have to fall in love. And what do they fall in love with? Well, the ladki gets a very beautiful samosa prepared at her home for the boyfriend, and the boyfriend says, "Wow, samosa is good," or "Samosa banavane wali is also good." So, well, love stories are made on the basis of food and the kind of love that you spread when you offer a coffee to someone, kind of love you spread when you have a pizza together or dinner together. Most love stories happen over a cup of coffee or a candlelight dinner, and dinner has an important element apart from the kind of ambience that you have. You have food. So today we are going to praise skywards only one thing, and that's going to be food, food, food. I am a foodie and I love food, and we all are foodies, we all love food. And there's nobody in the whole wide world who won't like to eat, right? So, delicious food again, right? Today we must pay big time appreciation, applause to the organization called FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, who, along with the member countries, in November 1979 declared World Food Day. Well, FAO was launched on 16th of October 1945, and FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, completes 75 glorious years today, guys. So congratulations and celebrations. So this becomes a very special World Food Day. Why? Because it is 75 years completion, and the theme this time is grow, nourish, sustain together. Well, unless and until we grow, we won't be able to nourish, and unless we nourish, we won't be able to sustain the food making practices and food distribution practices. So, and we have to do it together. Together, everyone achieves more. TEAM. We have to do teamwork. TEAM. T stands for together. E stands for everyone. A stands for achieves. And M stands for more. Together, everyone achieves more. So we have to do teamwork. And well, that also has a byline that says, "Our actions are our future." If we don't act now, we'll never be able to sustain the kind of food availability that we have on the face of Mother Earth for all of us human beings. Well, the credit for this particular FAO's move to declare today the foundation day of the founder organization FAO the credit should be going to one gentleman called uh, Paul Romani. Paul Romani was the Food and Agriculture Minister of the then Food and Agriculture Minister of Hungary, and he's the one who took the lead, and he declared this, which was a fabulous move, because this day enables us to thank everyone who's involved in making the food that we all eat all over the world, the way it's made, the way it's distributed, the way it comes to our home. There are so many stakeholders, and all of them contribute so much. So claps for everyone who are doing this. And at the same time, let's try to remember each time we sip a coffee, or each time we sip a tea right in the morning, or have a loaf of bread and we dip the bread or a biscuit like we do in India right there, and take it out with a spoon and eat it up. We love the pleasure, but we forget to thank those who created that particular wheat, that particular flour that was ground, and after that the process of biscuit making or bread making, the fermentation and all the processes that happen, and after that the way it was put in bakery to bake, and the way it was then packed and distributed, so much so that it comes all the way to our place right there at our door. And especially in COVID-19 situation, we ordered food right here, right? We never went out. The food came right at our doorstep. So when the food comes right at our doorstep, all these people who are the creators of food, the Almighty God included, because if He doesn't favor us with rains, if He doesn't favor us with sunshine, we won't have the sunshine that we see as lives in our lives. So thank you everybody, and ये खबर छपवा दो अखबार में, पोस्टर लगवा दो बाजार में, एक लड़का एक लड़की पागल हो गए प्यार में. The way to a man's heart or a woman's heart is through her or his tummy. So, well, in our stomach, let's put the best of things. Let's be careful about every morsel of food we eat, and let's thank everyone involved in every morsel of food we eat. Happy World Food Day. FAO, congratulations on 75th anniversary. Boom, from Ashok.